Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourself. Romans 12:10. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Such a beautiful Friday. We're here to make a quick and very delicious, nutritious Ampesiɛ with Kontomire Abom. This is very, very amazing. So please kindly stay tuned and you will love it so, so much. As usual, I've listed each and every ingredient below in the description box, so kindly check it out. So to begin with, I like to start off by boiling all my vegetables, my kontomire first. I'm adding my tomato, one habanero pepper, a bit of okro, very, very great for your digestive system. This is absolutely incredible. I also added some turkey berries, and I'm going to pour down a little bit of water. And do not overcook all these ingredients. Just cook it for about 5 minutes and you're good to go. Once you're done, set it aside, and I'm going to pair this with some tilapia fish, which has already been seasoned. I have a full recipe on how I season my tilapia, and I'm going to link it here. Okay, after rubbing it with a bit of oil, I'm going to put it in the oven and allow it to grill for the next 15 minutes. While that is ongoing, I'm going to go ahead and peel off my yam, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it into the size that I prefer. This yam was really, really great. It was so great. The texture and everything was just amazing. I think it reminds me of puna. It was lovely. The fact that you do not throw anything away was just a plus for me. So after cutting everything, I'm going to go ahead and put them in a bowl and give it a good wash. You know you want to wash your yam very well, right? Wash it very well until you get rid of all the, dirty stuff. It about 2 times, and it's nice the way I like it to be. So I'm going to put it in my bowl, and to that I'm going to add 3 eggs. Add any amount of eggs you prefer. You can also boil your eggs on the side. I just love the combination. It goes so quick. I also season it with a bit of salt and then add a bit of water. So we are going to boil this yam for just about 12 minutes, not too much. And while that is ongoing, there's another thing that we have to do. Make the abom ready. It is nice and quick meal. I absolutely love my Ampesiɛ so much. So we're going to begin with some onions. I'm going to dice it like this, and going to go ahead and grind it right here in my asanka. Please, there is absolutely no reward for suffering in the kitchen. So you know what, if you do not have time or the energy to grind it in the asanka, please go ahead and use your blender using the pulse button. This is, however, the traditional way to make it. Okay, I absolutely love it this way. So I'll go ahead and also add my habanero pepper and the turkey berries as well, and my boiled tomatoes. For the tomatoes, you can go ahead and grill it as well in the oven or something, and just go ahead and grind it until they're very nice and smooth like this. I'm going to now add my okro. I know it is very, very new, but if you add it anytime you try with okra, you're going to really stick with it because it's so good. I also go ahead and add my spinach, or if you're in Ghana, use your kontomire, your very fresh kontomire, and grind it until you achieve this texture and consistency you see on your screen. It's always great to add a little touch of peanut butter. Absolutely love the combination. Add a little bit of peanut butter, grind it until everything is well combined, and season it with a bit of salt. Grind everything together, taste, adjust it to your preference, and voila, you're good to go. The abom is ready. Once the abom is ready, best believe your yam is also cooked. I love this meal so much because it's so easy. I'm going to go ahead and take off my eggs and strain the hot boiling water from the yam, and we are good to go. I am also doing justice to my palm oil, I added a little bit of some onions, fried a little bit, and pour everything on top of my abomu. As easy and simple as that, we are done. We are basically done. All that we have to do is serve ourselves and enjoy. Look how beautiful the yam came out. So good. It was so tasty. I love this so much. Now, you have to garnish it with a bit of your eggs, a bit of onions, and whatever that you like. It is absolutely incredible. Now I'm going in with my tilapia. So amazing. This is for the Ashanti kings and queens. You absolutely do them the greatest favor if you make this meal for them. If you love your Ampesiɛ, give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Comment in the comment section and let me know how you also love to enjoy your Ampesiɛ. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, family. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please do not forget to share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.